Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay bills using the Royal Bank of Canada mobile app. Paying bills has never been easier with the RBC Mobile app, which allows you to manage your finances and pay bills on the go. To get started, you need to download and install the RBC Mobile app on your device if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and log in to your account using your client card number or username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts tab and select the account you want to use to pay your bill. You can choose from your checking or savings account. Next, click on the Pay Bills option and select the bill you want to pay. You can add a new payee by clicking on the Add Payee option and entering the payee's name and account number. If you have already set up your payees, simply select the payee from the list and enter the payment amount. You can also choose the payment date and add a memo if needed. Review your payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the payee, payment amount, and payment date. If all the information is correct, click on the Confirm button to complete the payment. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment has been processed. You can also view your payment history and upcoming payments in the app. Some best practices to keep in mind when paying bills using the RBC Mobile app include regularly reviewing your account activity and payment history to ensure everything is up to date. You should also set up payment reminders to avoid late payments and late fees. In addition, consider setting up automatic payments for your regular bills, such as your credit card or utility bills, to ensure they are paid on time every month. By following these steps and tips, you can easily pay your bills using the RBC Mobile app and stay on top of your finances. The RBC Mobile app is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances and pay bills, and it is available to all Royal Bank of Canada customers.